What's going on, Karate family? It's Juliana Holmes. Today we're going to be continuing our kata tutorial series with the form Hwa Rang. Hwa Rang is named after the Hwa Rang youth group, who were sort of the equivalent of the samurai warriors in Korea in the Silla dynasty. They were a group of young men who were trained as warriors. They did martial arts, horseback riding, archery, but they also did things like painting, poetry, higher education. They were the noblemen of the day. And so it's sort of the equivalent of the samurai warriors. This kata is named for them. So again, you're going to be able to see the full speed run through and then the walkthrough with narration. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Hwa Rang! Respect! Okay, you're going to come to attention, bow, and bringing the right hand in front of the face, the left hand on top, and sliding them down to the floor as you bend your knees. Stepping to the left in a straddle leg stance, bringing your right hand out in a palm strike, slow motion palm strike on a 6 count, followed by 2 full speed center punches. Stack the hands on the left hip, double forearm block, hammer fist, pull back to your cat stance, and side punch. Slide back feet together, downward knife hand strike, stepping center punch. Quarter turn to the left in a forward stance, low block. Stepping high punch. Slide up side kick, landing with a knife hand chop. And then 2 stepping center punches, ki on the second punch. Folding the hands on the right hip, reinforced knife hand chop. Slap, step forward into a forward stance, spear hand strike. Short half turn, 2 steps, reinforced knife. Right round kick followed by left round kick, landing with a reinforced knife hand chop. Quarter turn to the left low block, pull to your back stance with a reverse punch. Step back stance, reverse punch, and one more time. X block in front of the groin area. Step the right foot through into a back stance, elbow strike behind you with a ki. Fold the left hand on top, switch the hands outside block, low block, and again. Step out in a back stance 45-degree angle with a reinforced knife, and 45-degree angle with a ki reinforced knife. Returning to your salutation, come to attention, bow, and that completes Hwa Rang. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please leave your comments in the comment section below. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys in the next video.